Hey, my name is Ken Walker. I'm the Orion project lead, both at IBM and at the Eclipse Foundation. I just wanted to show something that happened as a cool result of doing a Google Hangout before the Pulse conference that happened last week. So I met this fellow, Bryan Boyd, on this Google Hangout, and he was showing a very cool demo of something called MQTT Starfighter. And it looked very interesting. You know, it was just a game, a standard shoot 'em up with looked a lot like asteroids. You know, you fly around this little world and you attack the robots that are playing. What was interesting about this game was that it actually has no server. It's actually just an MQTT topic that both the robots and the clients listen to. So if I follow this topic, you can see that the robot is actually producing a lot of content, and so the clients do that and the robots do that, and that's how they share a game world. So what's MQTT? Well, it says here it's MQ telemetry transport. So it's a machine-to-machine or Internet of Things connectivity protocol. So it's a subscribe and publish type protocol, and you hook up to topics, and that's how this game works. You can see an overview of the game board here, and you can scale the game board just by changing something in the topic. And we've got like one robot here, this hunter here. He's controlled by a robot, and I asked him, Brian, I said, well, where are these robots running? He's saying, well, I just have them running on a server. I said, well, how are they written? He said, oh, they're written in Node. And I was like, can I have that code? And he said, oh, sure. So he gave me the code, and I turned it into a JazzHub project. Here's the code here. It's got a few dependencies, but in short, that's the code. And then I used the deploy from JazzHub to push it to BlueMix. Guess what? At BlueMix, here's a platform as a service based on the Cloud Foundry infrastructure. And I was like, well, that's pretty cool. But, you know, what if there's too many people playing and the game is a little bit too easy? You know, we've got like one robot here, and I'll join the game again, and it's actually, you know, well, it's pretty easy to play, just as myself. I've only got one robot. Well, let's use BlueMix and go, well, let's scale out the number of robots and go up to like, oh, I don't know, maybe like 6 robots. If we go back to the game and look at the client, guess what happens? Oh, goodness, we have way more robots. Oh, maybe it's a little too hard, so let's scale down the number of robots we have running in this game. We'll go look, and guess what? Live, we reduce the number of robots playing in this game. Shaboo! So that's what I just wanted to show very, very quickly. Holy cow, it's an example of scaling out that actually people can see by just changing a little configuration tab. You can join that game as a human, and guess what? Now I've got 6 robots. So Ken is doomed. Let's see what's bad. Oh yeah, I'm pretty doomed. There's all these robots gonna go against me. So, and you can see me playing in this game live right here. So I just wanted to show this example of A, what can happen when you meet someone really cool in a Google Hangout, and B, when you work together, him and I, to produce something that shows the scalability of something like a Cloud Foundry or BlueMix application in demoing something as simple as an MQTT Starfighter application. Thanks.